Now, your favorite couple, Stephen Ngunjiri and Raymond Omosa, alias Kenyan Prince, have broken up. Stephen Ngunjiri went and wrote on her Instagram stories that her and the Kenyan Prince were no longer together. Reason being, he cheated. Looking at Oga Obina's show interview when Stephen Ngunjiri and Kenyan Prince were there, Kenyan Prince was asked if he can ever leave Stephen Ngunjiri, and he said that he can't unless she cheats.
Make you leave her?
It can make me leave her. Cheating on me, definitely.
Stephen Ngunjiri could not even speak. Kenyan Prince was speaking on her behalf. Anytime Stephen Ngunjiri would be asked a question, Kenyan Prince would respond. It's almost like Kenyan Prince did not want his girlfriend to speak on TV. Maybe alikuwa nadhani anaweza choma or something.
What can make you leave him?
She will not leave me. She can't. Where is she going?
Wacha ongee.
Hawezi.
Wacha ongee.
Sinakwambia mimi ndio representative. Anaenda wapi?
Tumesema she needs to be given money. So sasa ikipata mtu akona bread kukuliko.
Hiyo sasa akienda ni sawa. Hata mimi nikipata bread.
Among the reasons why also Steffi decided to leave was because she considered Kenyan Prince a gentleman but a petty person. But looking at how Kenyan Prince has been responding to the accusations, he says that he has money and his money can buy him happiness. At the same time, in his Instagram stories, you can see he's making it look like he's the one who actually left. But if you look at things, of late, he's the one who has been commenting a lot on this issue.
Madem, ukipata jamaa wako pale hivyo, umepata tu jamaa mzuri, ametulia na maneno mingi. Amekwambia baby girl, wewe lala kwa nyumba, wacha kunisumbua. Wacha ni hustle nikutafutia pesa tuomoke tuishi maisha mazuri. Wacha kwanza kumuuliza maswali 1 million. Maneno ya ati ulikuwa wapi? Unatoka ukienda wapi? Kwani si jamaa anatoka akienda hustle? Kwani who told you ati men wakitoka kwa nyumba ama time hawajafika kwa nyumba ati walikuwa wanafanya something wrong? We are not here to explain bwana. We don't have time to be explaining petty things. So let me not hear someone say that I was petty and stuff. Kwani mtu hawezi patana na watu hapa nje? You can't interact with people because you're dating ama because you're in a relationship. Guys, ladies, learn to understand vitu zingine. Some of us are so corporate right now. We need to meet up with people. We need to discuss ideas. We need to do things.
So do you think Kenyan Prince is still in love with Stephen Ngunjiri and he should apologize and lower his ego? Or he should just move on as he claims and use his money to get other women as he wants? Tell me what you think in the comment section.